The Galaxy S25 Ultra has these two huge improvements that will make your experience much better. A feature that will change the way you play games, and a long-awaited system update that will make things run more smoothly. South Korean news sources say that the S25's Unpacked event will take place in San Francisco, USA, on January 22, 2025. This means that the S25 will come out a little later than its predecessor, the S24, which came out on January 17, 2018. Samsung will show off the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra at this event. Talk has also been going around that the S25 Slim might show up. This gadget probably won't be available for purchase until the second quarter of 2025. Samsung is also likely to show off its long-awaited XR glasses, which will be a big step forward in the field of extended reality. Now for some good news for gamers. A recent leak says that Samsung is working on a new game mode for One UI that will make games run faster. Frame interpolation technology, which can raise frame rates for a better experience, is the best thing about this mode. The leak says that this technology will make it possible for images to go from 60 Hz to 120 Hz by adding more frames. Next, rumors that the base Galaxy S25 would have 12 GB of RAM have now been proven true. The device was recently seen on Geekbench with this configuration, which matches leaks from earlier this year exactly. Next, the processor has been one of the most asked about parts of the S25 before it came out. Ice Universe has stated that all S25 models will come with Snapdragon chips around the world. This needs to be made clear because a Geekbench report showed that the Galaxy S25 was tested with an Exynos chip, which caused some confusion. Snapdragon will run the S25 series all over the world. An interesting twist, though, is that Samsung is allegedly thinking about giving TSMC the job of making the Exynos chips, so with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.